Hello everybody, welcome here to another video. Today's video is super exciting because it's the video that I have promised you the last couple of weeks, and it is a pack with me video for my cruise holiday. I'm super excited for it. I'm very excited to start packing and basically just organizing what I'm going to wear on my holiday. It's always my favorite part of going on holidays, packing, organizing my clothes, thinking like what outfits I'm going to choose. So yeah, I'm very excited for the video and I hope you are too. So if you'd like to see how I pack for my holidays and how I fit everything into a 10 kg suitcase, then please keep watching. So I feel like packing videos are super popular. One of my videos that I filmed that was a pack with me or how I fit into a 10 kg suitcase is literally doing so well to this day, and I filmed it I believe 4 years ago or something like that, 3-4 years ago. To this day people comment on it and like it every day. It's actually insane, but that obviously means that you're all interested in how I pack, or you're interested in how people pack into a 10 kg suitcase, because to say it lightly, it's not that easy. It's not that easy when you're trying to fit every single outfit into your suitcase. When you're like me and you're trying to have like 2 outfits a day, one for the day, one for the evening, it's not that easy to pack into such a small suitcase. But I believe we can do it. I have no idea what I'm going to be wearing. I just took out some potential clothes that I want to take, so I'm basically just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna, as usual, lay everything out onto the bed and plan day by day what I'm going to wear. So let's get into that and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So as you can see here, I laid out any of the clothes that I'm thinking I want to bring with me. I don't know if there's enough here. I don't know if there's too little, too much. So I'm literally just going to start planning what day I'll wear what, basically. And then I'll see if I have enough. So I'm going to start off with the first day, which is a travel day. It's a Wednesday. So this is the outfit that I think I'm going to wear. It's basically a brown jumper with some brown trousers. It's like a cord set from Zara. So this is what I'm planning on wearing for the plane. And then I know that we will have a full day of basically exploring and doing whatever in Barcelona, which is what I would kind of like a different outfit for. Not only because I think the tracksuit might be maybe too warm, but also because I take pictures of my outfit, so I do want a different outfit for a different picture. So here I have a t-shirt from Penny's or Primark. This is the one that has like a bra built into it. I love these so much. Some linen trousers and a muslin cloth kind of shirt. So this is what I'm going to change into on the Wednesday. And that is day 1 sorted. Then for day 2, I'm thinking I will get a stripy bodycon dress for daytime, and then I have this stunning dress which looks like this. I have that for the evening. So that is day 2 sorted. I can have a cord set. This one is basically just some linen shorts and a linen shirt, so I'm gonna have that for the daytime. And then the evening I have another dress which looks like this. Leopard print is really in these days, so this is what I'm taking with me. I have this cord set which is basically linen trousers and a shirt. This is from Pretty Little Thing. I showed this in my recent vlog, so I'm going to wear that during the day. And then I have a dress for the evening, which is this white one, which again I showed in my recent vlog. It's from H&M. It looks like this. I bought it for like white night because I know that they do these things on a cruise, so let's just say that that is going to be this night, and that's an evening outfit. Next up I have this dress. So I'm gonna say that this might be a day outfit. I also have this dress, which I really love. And I believe this could be an evening outfit. I could wear one of these. So to this outfit, it's basically a pair of trousers. I'm adding a white t-shirt because I didn't have that out. So now I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I still need a Tuesday outfit. And I believe Tuesday is our last day, which would mean that I could possibly wear one of these outfits again. I could wear this shirt with the shorts again. And then coming back home, I want to be wearing that same tracksuit again, because I know that I will not be wearing it throughout the whole week. So it's literally going to be worn for a couple of hours. I probably won't get it dirty because I don't tend to get my stuff like dirty, or I don't spill things or whatever. So I know that I'll be able to come back in this in the evening on the Tuesday, because I believe we land on the Wednesday, but like really in the morning. So yeah, I believe that this is kind of it. I am bringing one cover up, because these things can just be worn as a cover up, but I am bringing this dress, which is basically like a crochet maxi dress. I am bringing this as my cover up. So I'm going to put the extra things up there, and now I need to get my swimsuits. So I now have everything laid out on the bed, all the clothes, or just all the swimwear, underwear, shoes. This is what I'm taking with me. The shoes, I'm actually taking some wedges like these. So I'm just taking these as my evening shoe. And then my daytime shoe is just a pair of black Birkenstocks, like so. And then the shoe that I'll be going in and traveling in are my Adidas Sambas. That way I have like a runner, like a trainer shoe, in case we're going to do lots of walking or whatnot. So I'm going to pack this up now and show you how I do it. The thing that is like the key in this is packing cubes. These are like genius. If you don't use packing cubes, I don't know what you're doing, but get on it, because this will save you so much space, and just it'll organize your suitcase perfectly. So definitely get some packing cubes, and I'm going to show you how I fit everything in those now. Here are all of my underwear and swimwear and socks. So this is that. Here is the famous green suitcase. Yes, I still haven't bought a black one, but I'm not gonna go and buy a black one just for the sake of being a black color. I don't like the green one, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. So that is the 10 kg suitcase, and those are my packing cubes that I've packed. I still have shoes over there, and then I also have a free packing cube, which I think I'll just get Aaron to use. But I'm basically going to start putting the packing cubes into the suitcase and see how we get on. Sometimes they turn out to be a little bit too bulky, so sometimes it's a little bit tricky to put them in, but we should be okay. Then if you can see in the suitcase, there's like spaces alongside, and this is usually where I put my shoes. So I'm going to pop these in here. These are quite big shoes to be bringing in a 10 kg suitcase, but they're kind of the only summery dressy shoes that I can bring, so I'm just going to have to bring them. This is what it's looking like. That is basically all my clothes and all my shoes. So now we're trying to close this. It does look impossible, but I promise you it does close. This is how I travel with it every single time. So I kind of try and do both sides at the same time. In my previous video, you would have seen that I actually like nail on the suitcase. It's literally just clothes. The shoes are like lying flat, so there's nothing gonna happen to them, but of course the clothes won't be ironed when I get to my destination, but I know that there's an iron there, so that's nothing I have to worry about. So it doesn't really matter that they're creased. So yeah. I know what you're probably all thinking. Marta, where are your toiletries, your hairbrushes, your chargers and everything else like that? Well, I still have a carry-on bag, like a handbag, and this bag, this size bag, was like designed for the under the seat luggage, which is pretty big. I actually traveled with just this bag at Christmas for like 2 nights, 3 days, and I fit all my winter clothes in here and it was perfect. So this is a ton of space. So in here I'm going to put my toiletries in it, my makeup. I'm not allowed to bring any hair tools like hair straighteners or hair dryers or anything like that. You're not allowed those on the cruise. So I guess that's a win-win because I don't have to carry them or pack them. But yeah, basically my toiletries, my makeup, my chargers, my camera, everything like that will go in here. I'm not ready to pack that just yet because I'm still using those things. I'm not going away tomorrow or even this week, so I can't pack those. But it's also where my handbag will go. This is going to be the little handbag that I'm going to be using for the whole trip. It has a zip on it, so it's perfect. It's summery, so this is where it's going to go, along with all those other things. But yeah, like my passport will go here, my Kindle, just basically essentials that I need to grab at any time so that I don't have to open the suitcase for. And yeah, that is kind of it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it kind of gives you an insight as to how I pack. I know the suitcase like could have possibly not have closed, and if it wouldn't have, I would have used those Hoover bags, the ones that you don't actually need a Hoover for. They're kind of just like you get the air out of them. They're super handy to use as well. They're sort of a pain because sometimes they open, so that's not ideal. Or when you get to your destination, sometimes coming back they don't work for me. So again, that's not ideal. But if you know any good ones and if you want to use them, then that would be even better than a packing cube because it gets the air out of your clothes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video anyways. And be sure to let me know if you have any holiday plans this year, because I'd love to know. And let me know if you have any tips for packing. What would you do? What do you do? How do you pack? And what suitcase do you travel with? And yeah, I'm gonna head off now and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!